Hi everyone, Michael Spiro here from Amaron, Australia. How are you all doing? I hope you're well. So good to see you all. Today I just wanted to share very quickly with you some of our tips and tricks that we're using on social media here for Amaron, Australia. Why is social media important? As you all know, many people are connected on social media these days, and it's important for all of us also being in business to connect with them. The old-fashioned way of doing business and sales face-to-face is great, but the reality is you have to be connected on social media to reach the people that are outside of your circle and outside of your reach. Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, so whatever is popular in your country, get on it. Social media attention span is very short, so having constant presence on social media, this will increase your brand visibility. The recognizable logos of Amaron and the colors of Amaron will certainly make that happen for you. So even if they scroll past it, they will still know what it is. Your clients want human connection as well as quality products. After all, they rely on our batteries to power them all day long. A great way to create posts is to have you in the post or someone in your business in the post. Shaking hands with someone or just having you next to one of your products, it makes a big difference to the post. This all feels real to a customer and makes them understand that you are passionate and a real person behind a real product. It's great to do professional posts with real facts, new batteries, things like specifications is important. But customers like to see people next to a product. That's why testimonials are very important. We get the testimonials from customers and then we decide we want to share them with other people. So in order for us to do that, we take the testimonial and we make it into a post to give our customers real feedback from other customers that have used our products before. Keep most of your captions short and sweet. Keep captions relatable. Give situations and problems that we have the answers to. This is where your call to action comes in. People don't want to do any guessing, you see. Call to action shows them what to do next. And this is what they should be doing next, is contacting. Social media allows businesses to engage with their customers in real time. You can respond to feedback and build relationships. This can help you increase customer support and customer loyalty. Your customers will help you promote your products. Social media has cost-effective marketing. It is an affordable tool that allows you to reach many people for not too much. Small budgets go a long way on social media, trust me. And you can specifically target the audience that you want. You can target mechanics, you can target people that have more interest in cars. You can target more battery users, people that talk about batteries. All this becomes your group of target, and all these people will be getting a copy of your post. The more that you and your customer engage on that particular post, on that particular social media, that social media platform recognizes that there is communication happening on this social media, so they make that particular post reach more people because there's action happening. They think it's a good quality post and then they will spread the message more. Thank you all for listening. I wish you all the best and success with your business. And don't forget, Amaron lasts long, really long.